Good morning. Today is 15 May 2025 and I am Mangesh Borkar sir from Sambodhi IAS Academy, Sambodhi Career Academy, Thane West. We just finished our NDA 8 days foundation course which was scheduled from 7th May to 15th May 2025, and now here are feedback from our students, those who joined this session. So first I would like to invite Kabir for his feedback. Yeah, Kabir, please.
हॅलो, माझं नाव कबीर आगलागय आहे आणि मी आता सध्या 12वीला आहे. 12वी अपेअर करणार आहे ह्यावर्षी आणि मी पनवेलला राहतो आणि मी इथे ठाणेला अकॅडमी जॉईन केलं होतं मागच्या वर्षी, पण काही रिझन्स म्हणून मी कंटिन्यू नाही करू शकलो आणि आता ह्या वर्षी मी फाउंडेशन कोर्स जॉईन केला होता 8 दिवसाचा. आणि इथे डे 1 पासून माझे जे काही डाऊट्स होते ते त्यांनी कंप्लीट केले आणि मला समजून सांगितलं. आणि इकडले फॅकल्टी यांनी फारच सोप्या भाषेने मराठी आणि इंग्लिश लँग्वेजमध्ये जे काही कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स होते ते एकदम सिम्पल लँग्वेजमध्ये त्यांनी सांगितलं. आणि अँड मी हे रिक्वेस्ट करतो की
You can shift yourself to English, no issue.
And I request to all the students who would like to join NDA classes, they should join Sambodhi Career Academy to clear their doubts and have a clear set of goals for the future. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Kabir. Yes, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankur and I recently joined the 8-day foundation course of Sambodhi Career Academy and I am a new student here. And I was given all the information based on the NDA exam which I am going to give this year, and I was cleared with all the doubts which I had during the time by the time which I came to know about the exam. And he explained me a lot that how should we approach to give the exam, and I think who are aspirants of the NDA exam especially I am talking about should join this academy. And he will guide you about the SSB course also for the interview and everything related in SSB and afterwards also. And that's all. Thank you.
Yeah. Ankur Gaikwad. Yeah, Ankur Gaikwad. Now 12th student, right?
Yes.
12th student. Yeah, thank you, Ankur. Yes. So yeah. एक मिनट. Okay. तू